Some concepts sound great on paper, like buying a dog for your kids because they promise they'll look after it. The concept of super portable lightweight backpacks also sounds great. The problem is that they're not really backpacks. They're more like shopping bags with straps. Once you wear them, you realize you can't really carry much without back and shoulder support. Meet AirPack, the first ever super portable lightweight backpack that is a real backpack. AirPack weighs only 300 grams and is the size of a can when rolled up. When it's open, AirPack holds 33 liters. That's more than a lot of the other lightweight backpacks, and unlike them, AirPack offers back and shoulder support. How? Through the magic of air. AirPack is inflatable. A single breath of air inflates its back support and shoulder straps, and a press on the valve releases the air. The air cushions can contour to the shape of your shoulders and distribute the load evenly. The air cells in the straps are interconnected, so they act like springs and can self-adjust to pressure points for a more comfortable carry that still weighs nothing, because, well, air doesn't weigh. Once you're done with it, press the air out, and the bag folds away easily. Now that's a great concept. AirPack offers everything else needed for an incredible bag. It uses extremely high-quality Cordura fabric, and its main compartment is waterproof with roll-top enclosure. Put whatever valuables you carry with you, and don't worry about water ever getting in. The side pockets are 10-inch deep. That's big enough to carry any water bottle without fear of it falling out in the middle of a climb. Meticulous attention was given to the zippers as well, because, well, you need your bag to be closed tight. The zipper is an SBS zipper, and the zipper cover serves as a reflective strip, so at night, you don't become invisible. When not on your back, AirPack lets you take a breather by easily sliding on any trolley. There's also a front pocket for easy access, an adjustable stability strap, and a removable waist strap. AirPack is made by Trexad, a company founded by experts in air mattresses. Just like their mattresses are tough enough to face any hardship nature throws at it, so are the bags. The fabric is tough, the seams are tight, and the buckles are built to last. AirPack comes with a lifetime warranty, which we're sure you won't need. We're ready for production. If you wish for a bag that is finally not just light and foldable, but also comfortable, get AirPack. That's one idea you won't regret.
The Hardshell Ultimate Travel Backpack made of ultra-high-strength ABS polycarbonate. Efficiently store away in the separate sections. Keep your items safe and secure with an expandable 35-liter capacity. 13 separate compartments. Comfort is second nature with the 2 cushion pad storage. An easy reach pocket on top. With expandable side pockets and a luggage handle strap, traveling is taken to a new level of convenience. Boasting a weight of only 2.6 pounds. The chest belt was added for more security, keeping you safe and water resistant. Not even the roughest game will stop you. The sturdy hard shell keeping you secure, yet you're fresh the whole way with the air mesh waist protection. The bridge between you and travel is right here. Be free. Let your shield guard your treasures. Jerry Bag.
Meet Banali Backpack. The first size-shifting daily backpack that look cool and can carry big things. Whether it's your everyday essentials, your gym bag, or your next big thing, you'll move with ease, looking like this, and not like this. Banali Backpack. Slim pack, big load. Banali Backpack features Italian quality and design and introduces a completely new category of bags, elegant and expandable, so you will be able to carry whatever you need for your day. Small stuff, big stuff, whatever. And while moving around with ease and looking cool. The slim design makes this bag a perfect choice for your everyday items. And when you need more space, enable the cargo mode. The expandable wrapping pocket opens up easily and safely supports your bigger items, thanks to the durable buckles and the tough webbing. Once you've arrived at your destination, just unclip the buckles and open the flap to quickly access your extra stuff. The unique size-shifting design of the Banali Backpack allows for unprecedented storage options, while enabling you to move around with ease, hands-free. But how does it work when it's normally loaded? Well, pretty much like any daily backpack, only better. The back panel is ergonomically designed to support your posture, and the buckle system serves as an anti-theft secured closure. It can fit all your usual stuff: laptop, lunchbox, and water bottle. But then again, it's a backpack. It can really hold anything. And the vibrant yellow lining keeps your backpack from becoming the inevitable black hole for pens, reports, and electronics. The Banali Backpack comes also in an exclusive Pro limited edition, designed for the most demanding urban mover. The Pro version features top-of-the-line YKK zippers, soft-touch finishes, and a detachable design that transforms the wrapping pocket into an elegant and handy tote bag. The lateral handle allows you to use it as a handbag at the next meeting. You can also attach it to your luggage for your next trip. And thanks to the rain-resistant coated material and the secret back pocket, you will not have to worry about getting caught in the rain or pickpockets. With the Banali Backpack, we wanted to design a new category of backpacks, expandable and functional, yet sophisticated and elegant. You will be able to carry everything you want while still looking cool. Plus, as an added bonus, we designed this bag in Italy, so it's sure to be the coolest backpack you'll ever own. Banali Backpack. My bag is my home.
Traveling light means flexibility to explore. Quite challenging when you need different bags for different activities, right? Imagine a bag so versatile it adjusts to whatever you're up to. Introducing the Wakes One. The Wakes One adapts its size and style to your needs. From the travel backpack, zip off the bottom to transform it into two bags, the day pack and the Wakes Cube. The Wakes One fits into the overhead locker, so instead of waiting for your luggage, you can be where you'd rather be. An all-around opening makes packing and accessing your stuff a piece of cake. YKK zippers, comfortable padding, and weatherproof fabrics have your back on city trips and outdoor adventures. After detaching the cube, the day pack is ideal for a stroll around town. Thanks to our zip and click system, you can remove all paddings to transform the day pack into an even lighter version with a minimal and sleek style. The padded laptop compartment makes the Wakes One the perfect work companion. With our hidden quick access pockets, it is a bliss to use on the go. The Wakes Cube keeps your stuff separated and organized. Within a few seconds, you can convert it into a robust camera bag. It also holds your cosmetics. Or you can use it as a cooler bag, as its insulated lining lets you enjoy a cold drink in the sun.
Hi, we are the founders of Wakes. I'm Leonie.
And I'm Fabian, Leo's brother.
We work with a factory that has an outstanding reputation. They produce for brands who are certified by bluesign and the Fair Wear Foundation, which means they own a very high social and environmental standards. Our unique fabric is made from recycled plastic bottles to reduce its impact on the planet we love so much.
Everything is in place. Now we need you to make this project a reality. If you pledge, you'll be the first to receive the Wakes One. And on top of that, you'll get it at a substantial discount. So please back and share our project now.
Thank you.